So one of the thing actually which I wanted to show was that the this is a Replit deployment, and if you look at, I just deployed a landmark application, and this landmark application actually it provided me the domain, but I wanted to use my own domain. So typically, what we do is actually go to your domain registration, and this is my domain names. So I want to use this domain for my landmark application, right? So, like if you look here, if I click here, this is the landmark application which got created, which shows different landmarks, right? But it's using the Replit uh, domain. So I want to use my own domain, and this is the domain which I have. So I'm going to go and manage this, go into that, and make sure that in advanced DNS, you specify the A record and provide this public IP from the Replit, right? So if you go to the Replit uh, deployment application, you can go to settings and you can see that this is my uh, that was my domain which got uh, assigned, right? Like for example, if you go here, you can see this is the record, and this is the Replit will provide you actually when you go into domain, say add a domain, you provide the domain name, and this is the record which it will provide you, and this is the IP address which you're gonna give into your domain registration site, right? Like so here you basically create a add new record, and then you provide this public IP, and then you can pretty much can see that I can use my own domain here. So one of the thing actually is also important in this is if you go to the tools tab, and when you are into your deployment, go to the secrets and make sure that you configure this Replit custom domain, and here you provide the address of your means your domain name address. So this is the steps which you need to do. If you don't do this, then this thing won't work, right? So now once I added that, actually I'm able to go into easily go into the basically easily access the public domain, my own domain, right? So I don't need to depend on replit replit domain. I hope this is valuable for you guys. Thanks for tuning in.